Well, hello there. My name is Mark Miles, and I love helping trainers, presenters, facilitators, people that run workshops in general really take their results to the next level. And in today's video, we're going to take a little bit of a different direction, and we're not going to focus on the training side of things. We're going to focus on the setup of the actual workshop and one aspect of it, which is catering. And this is something we don't talk about very often, but we often find that when we go off to a venue and we're running a workshop, somebody else might be doing the catering or somebody else might be planning the food or the drink or something like that. And in today's video, I just want to talk to you about two things that you should never do when you are catering for an event. Or if somebody else is catering for the event, please tell them not to do these things. Because what we need to realize is that anything and everything that's part of your workshop is going to either support the participants' energy levels or detract from it. And when we are producing or providing food for our participants or even drink, we need to realize that food that we provide is either going to support their energy or deplete their energy. And I just want to suggest in this video that there are two things that you should never provide to your audiences. Number one is chocolates and lollies on the table, and even the Mentos. Yeah, shock horror. Oh, no Mentos on the table, people. No more lollies on the table. Stop it. Stop it. Now, again, you may be thinking I'm overreacting, but what we need to realize is that any time that you provide sugar, it is going to give an uplift, but it's also going to lead towards a sugar and a drop and an energy drop in the room as soon as that spike wears off, so to speak. So I really want to discourage you from putting chocolates, Mentos, or anything sugary on the table. And there are many other types of snacks that you could provide on the table. And you can explore those options and you can think about what you would provide instead. I'm no nutritionist, but I just want to say providing instant sugar hits, it's not a great idea because you're going to find the energy in the room goes up, down, up, down, up, down throughout the entire workshop. And you, as a trainer and presenter, need to work twice as hard. All right. Now, I know the intention's there. It's all lovely. We want to make them feel good. And, maybe we want to make the experience more enjoyable for them. But chocolates and Mentos are not going to do it, folks. It's just going to make the journey harder. So look at other alternatives. Now, the second thing that I really want to encourage you to take out of your catering for lunchtimes or throughout the day in any way, shape, or form is that of white bread. Yes, white bread. Or any version of that or variation of white bread, so to speak. What we often forget is that white bread is very high in starch and sugar as well. So what you'll often find is that people will have a sandwich for lunch and then soon afterwards, guess what? Their brain crashes and their energy crashes. And guess what? It's not because they've overeaten, it's often because of the white bread itself. So I do want to really encourage you, if you are providing lunch, start to think about what other alternatives could you provide other than white bread-based sandwiches, all right? And maybe you can throw some protein in there. Maybe you can, throw in some carbs, but they're not so starchy, so to speak. So I just want you to start to think about if you are catering, two things. Take the lollies off the table. It's doing you a disservice. And the second thing is take the white bread out of your menu and maybe even think about, pies and pastries. Is that your best option as well? All right. So just get very strategic with your catering because it will actually impact your audience's ability to take in what you're actually teaching them as well. Hope you got some value from the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, get this message out there because we always want to raise the standards and results of training throughout Australia and the world and beyond. On that note, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.